Lesson plan number 1. Today's date is 4th 1 2021, class 11th. Subject is commerce, and today we will study about banking. So, first of all, I ask some question. You will answer me. From where we take loans? Bank. Where do we save our money? Bank. What supports the economy most? Money. Who helps in regulation of money? Central Bank, RBI. What is banking system? Then we will come to the banking. Banking means, according to the Banking Companies Regulation Act of India 1949, banking means the accepting of the purpose of lending or investing of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand, or otherwise withdrawal by the check, draft, and otherwise. There are some functions that bank exhibits. Some are primary functions and some are secondary functions. In primary functions, accepting deposits, granting loans, and in secondary functions, agency functions and utility functions. There are various type of bank in India. Some are central bank, commercial bank, development bank, specialized bank, and cooperative bank. Central banking means RBI, and private bank means commercial bank means private bank like SBI, Punjab National Bank, Allahabad Bank, and etc. Development bank means IDBI and this type of bank which supports small traders or some farmers. In specialized bank, NABARD will be the perfect example, and cooperative bank will be cooperative banks and state cooperative banks which cooperates to the business. There are some type of bank accounts also, and four main bank accounts are: current bank account, which is normally used by the businessman; saving bank account, which is general and used by the general public; recurring deposit account, which is very feasible. You can deposit money each month for future use, and you can minimum deposit 100 rupees also. Fixed deposit amount account, you will deposit one time and retain and withdraw it after the tenure or the period of the maturity. I will ask some questions, and that will be the comprehensive questions. Who collects and lend money to public bank? What do you understand by central bank? Give 5. Central bank is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Give 5 example of commercial bank: SBI, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, Allahabad Bank, and Bank of Baroda. Define discounting of bills. When businessmen come to the bank to take some bills and ask bank to liquidate their bills in money or a cash, then it will be called discounting of bills. What is the function of recurring deposit account? Function of recurring deposit account is saving money to so that we can regularly save our money. Some are recapitulatory questions. Name bank which supports general public. Obviously, commercial bank. Name the Central Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India. What is the name of account which helps in savings? And savings account or a recurring deposit account. Which group of economy uses current account? Businessman. And what is the function of an Exim Bank? Exim Bank supports import and export of the country. Now you will be do homework, and that is define types of banks and its function and what is banking. Thank you, class.